Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you this beautiful summer sun-kissed makeup look. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off with skincare, and guys, look at the condition of my skin. To fight my acne and acne marks, I'm gonna use the Derma Sali-Cinamide Anti-Acne Face Wash. If you have active acne, acne scars and pigmentation, and if you don't like applying two different skincare products at once, this particular range is for you. It has salicylic acid and niacinamide that's gonna control your breakouts. It helps removing excessive oil, it unclogs pores, fades dark spots and acne marks like a pro. And what I really like about this particular face wash is it's not drying on the skin at all. Next I have the Derma Sali-Cinamide Anti-Acne Face Serum. It has 2% salicylic acid and 5% of niacinamide. And this is the serum I would highly recommend to each and every one of you, because it has salicylic acid that penetrates deeper into the skin to treat acne, and niacinamide is going to deal with your acne scars, blemishes. It's going to control your excessive oil production, and it also contains cica and allantoin that has anti-inflammatory properties that's going to reduce the redness and inflammation that you have. This is a reminder that a sunscreen in the daytime is a must, and today I'm going to use the Derma 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel, and you guys must have bored of it now because I use it in my every single video, because this is my everyday sunscreen, and whenever I go out I use this one because this is super hydrating. It's very lightweight on the skin, it doesn't leave any white cast, it has SPF of 50 PA4+. It also contains hyaluronic acid that hydrates your skin and vitamin E that reduces the sun damage. Every time you buy from Derma, they will link your order to a child that they help educating along with Bhumi, and they have pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year. I do have a coupon code with them. If you use that on their website, you will get extra 20% off. Next I'm moving on to my base, and today I'm going to use this NARS Orgasm Illuminator. You guys can see it has a bronzy coppery hue to it. If you want that sun-kissed bronzed goddess sort of a look, this is a perfect product for that. I'm going to apply it on all of the highest points of my face, and then I'm going to blend it out with the help of a beauty sponge. Now I want my base to look really nice and natural. It should look like my skin but better. For that I'm using this CC serum. Now this is very hydrating on the skin. It contains SPF of 30. It gives a beautiful natural glow to the skin. So first I'm spreading it out with the help of my finger, and then I'm gonna blend everything out with the help of a beauty sponge. To set the cream products in place, I'm going to use a loose powder from inside. It's very finely milled, it gives a matte finish, and it doesn't look cakey or heavy on the skin, and it also makes sure that your makeup lasts for a really long time. Next, with the help of a brow pencil, I'm just going to fill in the gaps of my brows, and then I'm going to use a brow gel to set my brow hairs in place. For my brow gel, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel. It's my current favorite. It's a fiber infused brow gel, and it just makes your brows look well groomed. Next, to set the base makeup into place, I'm going to use a setting spray. Moving on to the cheeks, and today I'm going to use this Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Malibu Barbie, and oh my god, this is such a beautiful blush. It looks so natural on the skin. No matter what skin tone you have, this is going to look really nice on you. You do definitely need a bronzer to achieve that sun-kissed, fresh off the beach glow. Bahama Mama Bronzer is my all-time favorite because it's a natural matte bronzer. It gives you that sun-kissed skin, and it doesn't look orangey or reddish on the skin. And as this is a matte bronzer, you can easily use it as a contour as well. For my eyes today, I'm going to use this Sigma eyeshadow palette, and oh my god, this is the perfect warm toned eyeshadow palette for each and every Indian skin tone. This is extremely pigmented, supremely blendable, and this is my current obsession. Okay, I'm using it non-stop. Once I'm done with applying the rusty shade on my crease, next I'm going to use this muted beige sort of a shade all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to merge them together so that they look nice and seamless. To complete the eye makeup look, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful metallic shade called Breezy from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use it as my highlighter. And look at that, it doesn't contain any shimmery or glittery chunks to it. It looks so seamless and pretty on the skin. I love it. And lastly, to complete the entire look, I'm going to use this liquid lipstick from Iba, and I am in love with this particular shade. I mean, look at that. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. All of the product details and links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and don't forget to let me know what you guys think about this particular look. I would love to know that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.